Paddling for 36k can feel like an eternity, especially when you paddle maybe once a year. But this made every stroke worth it. With a kayak and a canoe, I set out with my friend on this 18k journey to Granite Falls. The starting point was Deep Cove, convenient as it is close to Vancouver. To make this long paddling enjoyable, timing is key. We know people who double their crossing time by ignoring the tides. Checking the tide chart beforehand can save both time and energy. Our timing wasn't perfect, but we were still in this window where the currents weren't completely against us. The tide changes every 6 hours, so if possible, aim for slack tide, when the change just starts. As I don't paddle often, my skin usually comes off on the lower part of my thumb. This time, I came prepared with a medical tape to reduce friction. The paddling went like a breeze. To view both sides of the Indian Arm, we did the left side going up, the right side coming back, avoiding the middle, where fast boats are flying by. Most of the area is private property, but if you need a break, there are some beaches and campsites where you can stop.
Break time. Yeah.
After 4 hours paddling, we reached Crocker Island. Fatigue hit in this last stretch. My body started asking, why are we here? We arrived at 1 p.m. As expected, all the spots next to the waterfall were taken, but there was a side trail with spots way better than the main ones.
Today we'll give you a wonderful tour of this amazing property on the waterfront of Indian Arm. As you see, you have a nice garden ahead, blocking the view. You have 2 lots. You can also park your kayak or your canoe to the side. You have an amazing seating area and barbecue terrace area facing the Indian Arm. Plenty of space to get dressed and have an amazing morning view once you wake up. And then if you really want to be fancy, you can also grab a seat in the sky hammock.
After setting up camp, we headed straight for what we came for, the falls. This is where most campers gather. We started exploring, climbing rocks to reach this beautiful pool up top. As other campers arrived, we realized there was a trail on the right side of the waterfall that was way safer than climbing slippery rocks. After all these jumps and refreshing dips, we went crabbing, hoping for a dinner better than just noodles. We caught nothing. Noodles it is. Later during dinner, seeing our neighbors catch, my friends tried again. And boom, crabs were much closer than we thought. We had a blast at Granite Falls. Time to paddle back. If you want to try the concept on a shorter distance, Twin Falls is where to stop. It's only 6k from Deep Cove. It has camping platforms available on a first come, first served basis. 36k later, the belief that you need to be a pro paddler to cover long distances is gone. Now I feel confident to plan for a multi-day trip to places like Desolation Sound. Sometimes, the best adventures happen when you paddle just a little further than you think you can.